The next thing that we are going to study is add a constraint. Now what do you mean by constraint? C-O-N-S-T-R-A-I-N-T, constraint. Constraint means a restriction added to a field. It is a restriction added to a field. For example, primary key or else not null. These are the restrictions applied to a field. I'll explain you with an example. Why do we use this constraint? To restrict wrong entries. कि कुछ गलत एंट्री नहीं हो, इसलिए we use constraints. Now, suppose this roll number is there. It can't be, it should be the primary key. Now we want to keep it as a primary key. That is why now we have not set it as primary key. And null. Null means zero value. If it is blank, then also it's okay. Is it okay for roll number? No. So we'll have to change this. We'll keep this as primary key. Key over here it should come primary key. And suppose for null. Null means what? It can't be empty. So here we want not null. It can't be null. Name empty nahi rakh sakte hai. So that is why we will have to change these two things. So how will we do that? We can do that using alter table command. So we'll write it as alter table. What is the table name? Students. S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S. Students. Then we want to change na. So it is modify. M-O-D-I-F-Y. Modify. What is the field name? Roll number. ROLL_NO. Then what is its data type? Integer. Alter table students, modify roll number, integer, and then you have to type it primary key. Why primary key? Because we want to make this roll number as primary key. So you have to type over here primary key. What command will you use? Alter table name, that is students. Now we have to modify, change the value, modify roll number. Its data type is integer and make it as primary key. And click on enter. See query OK. Again I'll show you, I'll describe the table. See. Null, no, means this value can't be null. It can't be empty, and this is the primary key. We have set the roll number as the primary key. Now next, not null. The name, it can't be empty now. So we will set it as not null. Here only no will come. So how will you do that? Alter table. What is the table name? Students. Modify. What do we want to change? Name. Name. What is its data type? Character. And then you just have to type not null and semicolon. Check the command alter table students, modify name. Its data type is character, not null. And click on enter. See query OK. Query OK. Again I'll describe the table. See. Here for name the null value is no. That is you can't you can't leave it blank. So this was about constraints. How to set a primary key, how to set it as not null. Now the next thing that we are going to study is we have created a table, columns बना दिए, fields बना दिए हैं. Now how to add values in it, how to insert the data into a table. So how to insert? Using the insert command. insert into, what is the table name? Where do we want to insert? In the table. Insert into students space, we want to enter the values. Insert into students the values. Whatever values are there, you will add it in round brackets. See, insert into students, then the values. First is roll number. Roll number, suppose 1. Then comma. Then in single inverted commas, whatever character, where character is there, you will insert it in single inverted commas. So 1 is the roll number. Then suppose name I will set as suppose Suraj, and then single inverted commas close, comma. Next is address. Address, suppose B76. This will also come in single inverted commas, comma. Suppose Rajshri Nagar, and close the inverted commas, comma. This is the address. Whatever address is there, you will type it in single inverted commas. Then comma, the next is phone number. Phone number, whatever you want to type. And then all the fields are added, all the values are added. Close the round bracket and colon, semicolon, and click on enter. Okay, now the name is too long. Right, here we have set it as not null. The value has changed, so again we'll have to change it. Character 20. See, again it is set to 20. Now we'll run the this again. Insert into students values 1, Suraj, address, phone number, and semicolon. Query OK.